we heal as one. 2020 gave us a chance to be physically and mentally strong. The pandemic of the COVID-19 coronavirus is a defining public health issue of our time, and the largest threat we have faced since the Second World War. The virus has spread to every continent since its arrival in Asia late last year. Plus, the typhoon that inflicts so much trouble that make it more horrific and disgusting. In the middle of all this, the Filipino can always continue to smile. Today, we are being called together to make a difference. Despite the many upheavals and disruptions that life throws at us, the Philippines are still lucky enough to have experienced many acts of compassion, particularly on the front lines and all individuals who are willing to aid were the country's brave and selfless actions. And steady support begin to believe that we can do better by helping hand. The test that we face is for us to show that we can heal as one. We should be intact and aligned with our loved ones at this time in our lives. We came to understand just the way it seemed. Transition cannot always fulfill our standards. We will have downfalls and problems, and this pandemic is only one way of bringing knowledge to people that we will all resolve things as one, no matter what, through camaraderie and solidarity. We need to be very sensitive and aware of the people around us in the middle of the crisis, because both of us are on the same ships but like adds and such. We'll never know what is going to happen in the future. Let us all open our hearts and minds and take the time to hear the nation's message and to meet our callings. A tiny help will mean too much to those fellow beings that need help. Prayers and devotions are what, after all that has transpired, made our country stand still. Some can fault him for everything, but we must still carry that with him. Considering how powerful and daunting challenges, maybe we are confident that we can survive. I would say that all of us have been influenced in all facets of our beings during this epidemic. Our mental well-being has been really hollowed out and we still overthink stuff beyond our grasp. Often, we felt our lives were just a few steps to our end. Negative as it may sound, but that is the fact. We all do respect individuals only by whom and what they are in order to relate this every day in our lives. Greetings, magic words, and compliments are small ways to demonstrate that any human being is loved. When it comes to human, mental well-being is a very important role because we struggle with many problems inside ourselves and connect them how we work. Nevertheless, if we all lock hands and aspire for the best, we will do things we do not plan to do. Healing is never easy, but it is never difficult to succeed as long as we are together and we believe in it.